Website structured data and rich results. Fundamentals. In this video session, we're going to explore website structured data and as well as rich results. When you hear the term rich results, think it as Google's search results displays different type of information. They are called rich results. But Google also is moving towards providing engaging experiences for the searcher. And with all the changes Google is making, website structured data and rich results should be part of website optimization. Now, let's imagine this scenario. Let's imagine you have a website. The domain name is the website. Then, within that website, you may have images, for example. Let's look at this. Let's say these are images. By themselves, they are just image. But using structured data, you can provide meaning to the image. Perhaps the image is related to a local business, or the image is related to a product. Let's imagine your e-commerce products. They can become a product. Let's imagine you're showcasing videos. Perhaps you have YouTube embeds. You can mark them up using video object, and so on. So, in the upcoming video tutorials, I will show you best practices, because I can promise you most content management systems and most Schema Markup plugins get this wrong. Because let's imagine, I'll give you a couple of examples because it'll make perfect sense. Let's imagine a local business website. The homepage is always a website. Well, not always, but 99% of times it should be a website. And then every other pages, whether it's the contact page, about page, is what? It's about that local business. That means when a local business marks the website up for a local business structured data, as in Schema Markup using local business item type, then everything else related to that business, whether it's contact details, about us page, services, blog posts, all will be related to that local business. So therefore, Google, using its evaluation algorithms, can better understand the local business and thus provide better information about that business when people search. Same is true for product pages. Okay, so that's what I will be teaching you. And you will understand that if your website is already using it, it's more than likely that you're doing it wrong. The reason I say that, you better not do it unless you do it properly. And some insights may be technical. If that's the case, you need to get a hold of your web developer and show them these video sessions. Because 2024, with all the changes Google is making, structured data will become absolutely critical to use. Because if Google and other search engines wants to provide more engaging experiences through search, then it is your job to optimize your website using structured data so that those engagements can be taken advantage of. I thank you for learning with Renkia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.